Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will explore the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0011, associated with the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. The error indicates a VTC A System Malfunction, which is crucial for variable valve timing functionality designed to optimize engine performance. This malfunction can lead to issues such as increased emissions, poor fuel economy, and performance loss. It's important to note that before addressing DTC P0011, other related trouble codes, such as P0010 or P0341, should be diagnosed first if they are present. These initial checks can save time and ensure that we address the underlying issues effectively. Now, let's delve into the detailed system components involved and their locations in the vehicle. The DTC P0011 indicates a VTC A System Malfunction, which refers to the Variable Timing Control (VTC) system responsible for advancing or retarding the camshaft timing for optimal engine performance. This system involves critical components such as the VTC Oil Control Solenoid Valve A, which regulates oil flow to the VTC system, and the Engine Control Module, ECM, which manages the system's operations. The VTC components are primarily located in the engine camshaft area, highlighting their importance in influencing valve timing and overall engine efficiency. The symptoms stemming from this DTC can range from decreased acceleration capacity to increased fuel consumption, indicating potential engine strain. It's vital to accurately diagnose and rectify the issue to restore optimal engine functionality and performance. Several possible causes can trigger DTC P0011, starting with low engine oil level, which can compromise the lubrication of essential components in the VTC system. If oil levels are fine, the next likely culprit could be insufficient oil pressure, which might result from a malfunctioning oil pump or obstructions in the oil channels. A faulty VTC Oil Control Solenoid Valve A could also lead to improper regulation of oil flow to the VTC system, thus causing the malfunction noted in the DTC. Sensor malfunctions, particularly in the camshaft position sensor or other related sensors, can miscommunicate the engine's operational status, leading to erratic performance or incorrect timing adjustments. Each of these potential causes must be systematically checked during troubleshooting to isolate the malfunction accurately. Common symptoms associated with DTC P0011 include noticeable engine performance issues, where the vehicle may hesitate or fail to accelerate as expected. Drivers may also observe increased emissions during operation due to improper combustion resulting from valve timing errors. Additionally, poor fuel efficiency is often reported as the engine struggles to maintain optimal performance parameters. The vehicle may also trigger warning lights on the dashboard, indicating engine problems or the need for maintenance. These symptoms can significantly affect the overall driving experience and vehicle reliability, making it imperative to undertake appropriate diagnostic and repair measures promptly. Understanding these symptoms helps prioritize the need for further investigation and repair efforts. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0011 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode to initiate the diagnostic process. Following this, it is crucial to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which allows for a fresh start in assessing the vehicle's systems. After clearing the code, the next step is to power off the vehicle and start the engine. It is essential to monitor the low oil pressure indicator on the dashboard while the engine is running. If this indicator remains illuminated, it signals that there may be an issue with the oil pressure that could affect the VTC system's functionality. Therefore, this step is pivotal in determining whether low oil pressure might be contributing to the malfunction indicated by DTC P0011, necessitating further checks on oil levels or pressure. In this next troubleshooting step, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to conduct the VTC test. This test will allow technicians to evaluate the VTC system's performance under real-time conditions. By selecting the In VTC feature in the inspection menu, you will be able to analyze how the system operates. After initiating the test, the next crucial part involves thoroughly checking the results obtained. If the test yields an OK result, it indicates that the VTC system is likely functioning correctly, leading you to proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Conversely, if the test does not return satisfactory results, further investigation is necessary. This step is essential for verifying whether the malfunctions stem from the test performance of the VTC system or elsewhere within the system's components. During the third troubleshooting step, it is necessary to test drive the vehicle at a steady speed between 19 to 37 miles per hour, 30 to 60 kilometers per hour, for a duration of approximately 10 minutes. This controlled environment allows for accurate data collection of the VTC system while the vehicle is in motion. After completing the test drive, utilize the HDS to monitor specific parameters, focusing on the VTC status and current conditions. It is crucial to compare these conditions to the predetermined thresholds to ascertain if they align correctly. If the current conditions match the established thresholds, it's indicative of proper system functionality, which enables you to progress to the next troubleshooting step. However, if there are discrepancies, it necessitates a return to the previous step to reassess the findings and identify potential inconsistencies in VTC operation that require correction. In this troubleshooting phase, you will continue to monitor the onboard diagnostic (OBD) system status as it relates to DTC P0011. This involves performing another test drive at a steady speed between 19 to 37 miles per hour, 30 to 60 kilometers per hour, for approximately 10 minutes, in order to assess how the vehicle's systems behave under consistent conditions. After completing the drive, you should observe the OBD status on the HDS for the DTC in question. If the HDS indicates a failed status, it confirms that there is a problem that needs to be addressed, steering you toward further checks of the VTC system components. Conversely, a past indication suggests that the system may be functioning correctly at that time. Should the HDS show not completed, it's essential to go back to the prior steps to recheck the diagnostics. Understanding these outcomes is vital for effectively determining the next course of action in troubleshooting the VTC malfunction. The final troubleshooting step involves directly testing the VTC oil control solenoid valve A. This solenoid plays a critical role in regulating oil flow to the VTC system, so its functionality is pivotal for overall system performance. Once you have tested the solenoid, determine whether it is functioning correctly. If the solenoid is confirmed to be operational, the next logical step is to check the VTC system's oil passages and clean them if necessary. Any obstructions could affect oil flow and lead to a recurrence of the issues indicated by DTC P0011. On the other hand, if the solenoid valve A is found to be faulty, it will need to be replaced to restore proper function to the VTC system. Properly addressing this last step plays an essential role in ensuring that the system operates smoothly and efficiently, ultimately enhancing vehicle performance. In the final repair verification stage, it's essential to ensure that the repair work conducted has effectively resolved the issues associated with DTC P0011. This involves rechecking the system for any stored DTCs to confirm that the error has been successfully cleared. After confirming the absence of codes, it's also vital to take the vehicle for a test drive, monitoring the performance to ensure normal operation. Observing whether the engine performance issues or warning lights have resolved will affirm the integrity of the repairs. Conducting this verification step is crucial, as it guarantees that the issues have been addressed comprehensively, enabling peace of mind for the vehicle owner. By completing this stage, you ensure the reliability and efficiency of the vehicle are restored. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding complications such as the one associated with DTC P0011. Regular oil changes are vital in maintaining optimal engine health, ensuring that the VTC system functions smoothly. Frequent checks of oil levels can help preemptively identify issues before they escalate, allowing drivers to catch low oil levels early. Additionally, performing routine inspections of the VTC components can help identify early signs of wear or malfunction. This proactive approach not only enhances vehicle performance, but also prolongs the lifespan of critical engine components. Incorporating these practices into regular maintenance schedules can significantly reduce the risk of facing similar DTC errors in the future. In conclusion, the troubleshooting process for DTC P0011 requires a detailed approach to ascertain the root cause of the VTC A System Malfunction. By following the outlined steps, including oil pressure checks, systematic tests with the HDS, and assessing the VTC components, technicians can accurately diagnose and resolve the issues. Monitoring symptoms closely and understanding their implications is crucial for effective repairs. Moreover, committing to regular preventive maintenance can vastly reduce the likelihood of experiencing such DTC errors in the future, ensuring the vehicle remains in optimal condition. By integrating these practices and performing thorough diagnostics, vehicle owners can enhance their driving experience and maintain the longevity of their Honda CRV. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.